Good morning, guys. I will be recovering my Solper wallet in my web browser. You can only recover your Solper wallet if you still have your secret recovery phrase or seed phrase or private key. Without this, Solper cannot restore your wallet because it is not custodial and does not store your key. If you're still logged in any device, you may be able to export your recovery phrase or private key before losing access. Recovery option for Solper wallet. Number one is using your recovery phrase or private key. And number two, if you're still logged in your software or web extension. I have video about that, how to download the web extension in your Google browser. You can check my description below. As you can see, guys, I am entering my 12 phrase in my recovery phrase. Enter it when reinstall software extension or mobile. Then second one is the private key. Import it directly into software or another Solana compatible wallet. Open software web extension. Click on your profile account, switcher icon, select wallet, click three dot setting menu. Choose export recovery phrase or private key. Save securely. This second option is for the web extension. If you lose your recovery phrase, unfortunately, there is no way to recover the wallet. Solper cannot reset or regenerate your key. Your funds remains on the blockchain but the inaccessible without your phrase or key. Dapat mo siyang talagang i-memorize yung recovery phrase mo para maka-recover yung account. And you can use this one as a recovery option. As you can see, I already finished my account here. Then as I log in my account, you can check my balance here and also the other token from your Solper wallet. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. For Google Chrome extension for Solper, you can watch my video on the below and description of the video. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat po.